All right, let's forget all this fluff and this nonsense. I want to show you how to start building a list in just a couple of minutes. Are you ready? Of course you are. Let's jump right in. We're sharing screens, we're having fun, we're doing this in one take. First, what's your traffic platform, where you're promoting, where you're marketing? For me right now, it's YouTube. In the past, it's been Facebook ads. I've done LinkedIn. Right now, it's YouTube. I'll do a video. So, for example, this one is one I just did, me in front of a whiteboard. Look how good I look. You don't have to look as good as me. Just do your thing. So someone will say, I'll say, writing cohort below. I reply. I say, here's the link. They go here. Okay. And let me show you, let me actually take you inside to show you how quickly I build these pages, these landing pages and the things. Now, you can use whatever software you want. You can ClickFunnels or Kit, whatever it is, Beehive, it doesn't matter. I use Kajabi. I use Kajabi because it does all my sales pages, my courses, my products, my programs, I actually have everything in one. Try it. Don't try it. There's my link below. You could try a free 30-day trial. You do you. Figure out your thing, right? So how does it look on the inside? Well, here's what it looks like. On the tabs, it says landing page. And I just did one from scratch. This is the landing page. I had my image, so I can upload other images. I can use other images. So let's say this was one I wanted to use instead. Right? I could have just switched it here. So while that's uploading, then this is the copy I wrote, right? Couple of lines, free, how to create micro cohorts. This is it. Goodbye courses. Hello micro cohorts. So I built this page here in Kajabi. Then I connect it to a form. So let me show you what that looks like. In Kajabi, so here's all the different things, right? So the page I built was here under landing pages. Here's where I could see my sales. Here's where I could write emails to my list. Here's the forms. I created a form called cohort free. And that's for me, for my internal, so I know what it is, right? I made it single opt-in. I got rid of the first name because I prefer just using email. Every extra thing you ask for suppresses conversion. One of my friends tested 30% decrease in conversions just by asking for a first name. And most people never use first name in an email anyway. So I don't ask for first name. I keep it as simple as possible. So it looks like this. So anyway, this is the form, right? So I've got the landing page, the form, and then I connect it to my email. So I come here in Kajabi, I create an email campaign. So this is the email sequence. So day 0 means immediately when they join, this is the email they're getting. This is my internal thing. Hello, micro cohorts. That's a subject line. So yeah, this happened, right? So that's a little preview text they get. And this is it. I just wrote the email right in here. It was a welcome email. Okay. So for the past couple of years, I've been, oh, look, I actually have to finish that. So I would finish up this email. But that's why I'm showing you. I'm doing this stuff in real time for you. I actually should have fixed that for you beforehand. But that's okay. You get see, it shows you got to move fast. And it's just a welcome email talking a bit about micro cohorts. I like to get people to hit reply so I can get in their inbox. I can learn about them and say, hey, just hit reply and tell me about your business. That's it, right? And I save it. And then all I did was attach it to the form. So when people enter their name in the form, which again is here, right? This is the form. You could see here's the form it's attached to because I could attach it to any one of my forms. Here's the thank you page they're going to go to. I already created a little bit of a thank you page. Hey, welcome, you're in. And that's it. So I connected it to a form. You could see here in the form. So I'm back in the form area. Once they, where am I? Lost tabs for a second here. Automations. When this form is submitted, they get the welcome email. which is this. And that's it. So I go from, hey, here's my email. If you're interested in learning, here's my video, or here's my marketing, here's my post. If you're interested in learning more, here's the link, or drop your link below. Whatever platform you're using, you get them to a landing page. I build it in Kajabi. You build it wherever you have your email host or whatever landing pages you're doing. Make sure to connect it to a form, right? And a welcome email. That's it. Easy peasy. If you want to actually see this form, if you want to see this page, just write cohort below, because I got to practice what I preach. Always practice what you preach. And if you want to use Kajabi, again, this is what I use. I'm an affiliate, so I will get a little commission if you do that. If you don't want to give my commission, that's cool. Just go to kajabi.com. I'm not going to cry about it, but if you want to hook me up, go there. But it doesn't matter. I'm not saying you have to do this, use Kajabi or ClickFunnels. Use the thing you like and that works for you and your business, but keep it simple and make sure whatever you use, it's something that is easy to do. Because the last thing you want to do, especially if you want to build this kind of one person type business, is have a business that's dependent on a whole team of programmers and graphic designers that you have to keep outsourcing and doing all these things. Because I did that once. We built all this stuff from scratch, and just to do one upsell would take 2 weeks and cost us like $15,000 in programming. So whatever software you use, it doesn't matter. Make sure it's something though that you can figure out and do it on your own, because that is really the best thing in the world, is having independence. I'm 52. I run this thing from a coffee shop now. I don't have a big team anymore. I don't have any team. I don't have any full-time employees. I use Kajabi for everything. Find your thing, but I want to show you how to start building a list. I'm going to stop talking. I talk too much. I'll see you on the next video.